Hi everyone, Ben here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to issue a stock alert on a company I've covered before on this channel called Sliver Storm Mining. They are a near-term silver producing company that the share price has dipped a little bit. And you can see that here on the chart here, a little bit of a dip in the price. That was probably due to the announcement of a financing, but that financing has closed today. That's what this announcement here says. They raised $13.8 million. So the stock could potentially rebound here now that the financing is closed. So just a quick overview of the assets of Silver Storm. They have two real flagship projects that are both located in Durango, Mexico. The main asset and the main focus of the company, though, is La Parilla. That is the mill restart story. They have a fully permitted and built mine on the property, and they're planning production of 2.7 to 3 million ounces of silver equivalent per year once they ramp up and get going. And they're planning on starting production in Q1 of 2026. There's also a resource on the property. They have about 30 million ounces of silver equivalent at about 265 gram per ton. And also note the feed is 2/3 silver. So the market often gives a bit of a premium to those higher silver content miners. The market just seems to like those projects a little bit better. A lot of these silver producers or silver exploration companies are only maybe 30 or 40% silver, and the rest of it is base metals. They also have another project called San Diego, again, located in Durango, Mexico, and they have a resource of about 210 million ounces of silver equivalent at 110 grams per ton. So there is a possibility that San Diego gets permitted to mine and they could use that feed, and that feed would go to La Parilla, which is located fairly close. And also look at the price of silver, just really on fire. You can see the big move. We're up to $43 this morning. It's around 9:45. So market's just getting open. But I do think the silver price looks very strong. I think it's got some momentum and it could possibly keep going higher and retest $50 or even break it. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is not financial advice, and we'll see you in the next one.